Hi friends, I'm here to do some math with you. We're on lesson 2, session 5, but before we get into it too far, I wanted to talk to you about something that's super important for you to know, and it is called number bonds. Number bonds are two numbers that make up another number. For example, I've put them up here. I'm using all doubles facts in here, so a number bond for 8 would be 4 plus 4. It just so happens that the bonds I'm using are double stacks. So I can tell that these two together make up 8, but the same goes because addition, if I add these together, I get 8. If I break it apart, I subtract it because addition and subtraction are opposites. I also get 4 plus 4. So I can break 8 into one group of 4 and one group of 4. If I add 5 and 5, it's a double stacked because it's two of the same number. I get 5 plus 5, which we know is 10. But if I flipped it, I could say 10 breaks down into 5 and 5 because it's opposites. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 also breaks down into 2 and 2. 6. What do I get to 6? That's double. 3 plus 3 makes 6. So these are called number bonds, and it's breaking down a number or what goes into another, adding it or subtracting it, depending on how you're looking at it, because again, addition and subtraction are opposites, okay? So a way to keep that in mind, these are all double stacks. A double stacked plus 1 would be 4 plus 5. I'm adding 1 over here. This is called a near doubles or a doubles plus 1. You could solve it knowing, oh, I know this double stacked, 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1 more is 9. Okay, so now I'm going to move on. Now that I've taught you guys about number bonds, I want to talk to you guys about math for this week. I'm on page 49, lesson 2-5 in your workbooks. This is the end session for the week. So this is what you need to do before you take your test in Seesaw. All right, it says apply it, solve problems 1 through 6. 2 books and 3 books. How many books in all? This is what we've been practicing, where you are going to circle the numbers, circle 2, circle 3. How many books in all? Your word clue is in all. That tells me I'm adding. I have 2 books plus 3 books. I know a doubles fact of 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4 plus 1 more equals 5. Okay, I could do that. We also learned that I could make it a doubles fact this way. I could say 3 plus 3 equals 6. Take 1 away if I know that doubles fact. Then I do 6 minus 1 equals 5. Both ways get me to 5, okay? It's just which way works for you. Do you know your doubles fact of 2 plus 2? Do you know your doubles fact of 3 plus 3? If you know your doubles facts, you can solve this. This is called a doubles plus 1 because I have this plus 1 over here. It could also be a doubles minus 1. So 2 plus 3 on that line comes 5. I know I have 5 books. The second problem has this beautiful bird on it. It says there are 4 birds. I didn't write all the words down. I just wrote the ones down that really matter that I need to show you. I'm going to circle or box. More birds join them. Remember, more means I'm adding. Now, there are 8 birds. How many birds join? This is writing your equation. So I'll show you, you know what, I'm going to show you how I did that. So I don't have anything, pretend I don't have this written here. There are 4 birds, so I'm going to write 4. First thing I need to do is circle the numbers. Okay, more is my clue that I'm going to add, and now, because now tells me it's not a more, I'm adding 8 more, it tells me now I have 8. So there are 4 birds, here I go. More means I'm adding. Now I have 8. Join, I don't know how many joined, so I wrote a blank for that. But now, comes over here, now I have 8. So 4 birds to start, plus some more. I don't know how many, but at the end, I end up with 8. So how many birds join? If you know your doubles fact of 4 plus 4, you know that 4 plus 4 equals 8. If you don't, you can count on from 4 until you get to 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you know 4 plus 4 is 8. So I know that 4 birds join in, okay? If you need to pause to write any of this down, please feel free to do that. If you need to watch these over and over and over again because they're not making sense, that is great too. Also, if you are trying and you're not getting it on your own, you could have a grown-up reach out to me and we could do a one-on-one so you can understand math a little bit better. Number 3, I'm still on the same page. It says, Nick has 5 sun stickers. Nick has 5 sun stickers. He has 5 moon stickers. How many stickers does Nick have in all? So Nick has 5 sun and 5 moon. How many in all? So you're going to circle 5, and you're going to circle 5, and you're going to put a box around in all. That tells you what you're doing. All right. I'm adding these. I'm going to make a number bond. 5 plus 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I also know 5 plus 5 is a friends of 10. So he has 10 stickers. Remember, is ER. All right, that was number 3. Good job, boys and girls. I'm on the last page of my packet, if you have a packet. At the top, it says 3 black markers and 4 brown markers. How many markers in all? So for this one, I'm going to circle 3 and 4 in all. Let's say box around it. That means I'm adding 3 plus 4. I'm going to model this with dots. So you guys don't have these fancy marker things here that Ms. Lamb has. So I'm going to model it with dots if you need it. If not, that's okay. I have 3, 1, 2, 3, and then I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I could put a box around it like we did in that one lesson they taught us. Now I know I have 3 plus 3. I know I have 3 plus 3, and that equals 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. I could do it that way. I could also do 3 plus 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Drop this one down. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Okay, that is one way I could do it. Another way I could do it, I'll draw a line so you can see the difference. Oops. Is I'm going to draw my 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 4. This is a near doubles fact. So here I drew a box here, but here I'm going to add one in because I know that this is 4 plus 4, and I don't have to count them because I know the second one is 4. So now I draw a box, I have nothing left out. I know this is 4 plus 4 if I know my doubles facts. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. But I don't have 4 plus 4, I have 3 plus 4. So I'm going to take 8 and take 1 away. And I get 7. And there it is, I have to take it back out. All right, both get me there. I showed you both strategies. So if the plus 1 is helpful or the minus 1 where you take 1 away, both work. They're just different strategies, okay? That's problem number 4. And now I'm gonna erase and moving on to number 5. If I'm going too fast for you. Remember, you can pause, you can rewind. That's why Miss Lamb recorded these for you guys. All right, number 5 says, 2 trees are tall. 2 trees are tall. 3 trees are short. How many trees in all? Okay, you're going to circle the numbers 2 and 3. And then this line here means in all. So it tells us what we're doing. All together, we're adding, right? So 2 plus 3. Again, I'm gonna do it the way that I showed you just now. 2 plus 3. Draw a box around it. 2 plus 2 equals 4. That's what this box is. 2 plus 2 equals 4. And I have this plus 1. 4 plus 1 equals 5. That's doing the plus 1. If I wanted to do it a little bit differently, if I wanted to challenge myself, maybe it was a little too easy, I have 2 plus 3, but I'm going to throw 1 in to make it even. So now I have 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. But again, I don't have 3 here, so I have to take 1 away. 6 minus 1 is 5. You, instead of erasing that, you could just put, you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to draw an X through it. That tells me I'm taking that 1 away. Our last one says, it's number 6, says Maria has 4 pennies. She finds 5 more pennies. How many pennies does she have now? Circle. 8 pennies, 9 pennies, 10 pennies. Man, they're really trying to throw in a lot of words to throw you guys off. Don't let it happen, okay? So we're not going to let them trick us. We're going to circle the numbers and then find the clues. So the first one is 4. And then she finds 5 more. This means more. We're adding, right? I'm going to draw a line here so you don't get confused. 4, she finds 5 more. How many does she have now? Well, let's do it 2 different strategies. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put a box around it. 4 plus 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Awesome. Now I'm going to do it by subtracting. I'm going to do minus 1. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to add 1 in. So now I know I have 5 here. I must have 5 here. So it's 5 plus 5. I know 5 plus 5 because 5 is a friendly number. 0 is a friendly number. I know my friends of 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. This 0 is a friendly number and 5 is a friendly number because they're easy to work with. So 5 plus 5 equals 10, but I don't have 5 in both rows. Here I only have 4, so I'm going to cross 1 out, and I'm going to subtract it. I know 10 minus 1 is 9. So I did both ways. You're going to circle 9 pennies. That is the correct answer. So I hope doubles and near doubles are making sense. Doubles are when you have 2 of the same addend. Remember, addends are what you're adding together. This is the addend, this is the addend. The answer that you get is called the sum. So addend, addend, sum, addend, addend, sum. This is not an addend because we're not adding. Addend, addend, sum. Okay, so that hopefully, I hope now makes sense to you. If you have a doubles plus 1, that means I have 3 plus 2. I have a doubles fact, 2 plus 2, and then I have 1 more. So I found 2 pencils, and then I found 2 pencils, and I found 1 more. So we need to solve 2 plus 3. If I know 2 plus 2 is 4, and 1 more makes 5, okay? Same thing, if I have this many pencils and I don't know what I can do, I can put them in groups and pretend I have 1 more. Now I have 3 plus 3. I know 3 plus 3 is 6. minus 1 is 5. Okay, so I hope that helps. You can use your little erasers if you need to, but yeah, I think it's super fun and you're practicing the strategies. So if this is maybe too easy for you, again, just please focus on the strategies of +1, -1. Why do you do that? Trying to really deepen your thinking and your math skills. So enjoy, have fun. I love you. Bye.